Hello students, welcome back to our economics class. Today we are going to discuss a topic from unit number 10, that is Telangana economy. Previously we have discussed health sector initiatives which are undertaken by the government, and also we have learned the educational profile of the Telangana state, and today we are going to discuss the same unit, that is Telangana economy, but the topic here is discuss the status and prospectus of residential schools of Telangana. What is this asking here? Discuss the status and prospectus of residential schools of Telangana. Residential schools. So under this main heading, that is residential institutions of Telangana, under this main heading there are 4 types. What is the main heading over here? Residential institutions of Telangana. The topic is very easy. Only 2 things are there. The first one is short forms. The second one is numbers. Short forms and numbers. If you keep these 2 things in mind, the whole topic is damn easy. So let us see what are the 4 types which comes under the residential institutions of Telangana. So the 4 types here are SC, ST, BC and minority. I hope you are aware of this. These are caste, am I right? SC means scheduled caste, ST means scheduled tribes, BC means backward class, then M means minority, am I right? Like while fill upping any application form, there is an option called as caste. There the slashes will be given, SC slash, ST slash, BC slash, minority, and sometimes OC will also be there, that is other caste. But in today's topic we are not going to discuss about OC. We are going to discuss only the 4 types, that is SC, ST, BC and minority. Now under this I have written RS, RS, WRS and RI. What is the meaning of this? Here you need to join the sentence. SC means scheduled caste, RS means residential schools. The whole topic here is residential schools, am I right? So under every side heading you need to write residential schools. SC residential schools, ST residential schools, BC welfare residential schools and minority residential institutions. Alright, first we'll by heart the 4 main side headings over here. The first one, scheduled caste residential school, STRS, scheduled tribes residential schools. Residential school is constant, it is same. What is changing? The caste, am I right? SC residential school, that is scheduled caste residential schools. ST residential schools means scheduled tribes residential schools. Then the third one is BC, backward classes. WRS means welfare residential schools. BCWRS means backward class welfare residential schools. Last one is M, that is minority RI, residential institutions. Now here on the board you might have found that the side headings are written with red ink. Just now whatever we have discussed, the 4 main side headings are written on the board with red ink. Let us read it. Scheduled caste residential schools, scheduled tribes residential schools, SC, ST. Then next one is backward class welfare residential school, only one letter is added, that is W. The third one is minority residential institutions, very easy to by heart. First you need to by heart SC, ST, BC, minority. Under SC you need to write RS. RS means residential schools. Under ST you need to add RS, that is ST residential schools. Under BC you need to add one letter, that is W. W for welfare. Then again RS is same, right? RS, RS, RS means residential schools. Already it's given in the question. Residential schools. Then the last one is RI, residential institutions. So this was just the introduction, like how to by heart the side headings. So residential institutions of Telangana are divided into how many types? 4 types. SC residential schools, ST residential schools, backward class welfare residential schools, then last is minority residential institution. Everywhere school is there. In the last one you need to write institution. Now let us go with the first point, that is scheduled caste residential schools. Now before starting each side heading, let me tell you one short form which is going to repeat many times. That is, I'll write here, REIS. You just see here REIS. Again if you see here REIS. Again in third point you have again REIS. Again here also you have REIS. Nearly 4 times it have repeated. So what is the full form of REIS? Residential, educational, institution, society. What is the full form? Residential. Yes, residential. Next E for educational, residential, educational. IS means institution, society. Residential, education, institution, society. So wherever you find REIS, what you need to say? Residential, educational, institution, society. And wherever you have T means obviously it is Telangana. As we are learning about unit number 10, that is Telangana economy. So wherever you find the letter T, that is Telangana. Let us go with the first side heading. Let us start our topic now. TSWREIS, Telangana State Welfare Residential Educational Institution Society. Telangana State Welfare. TSW means Telangana State, W for welfare. Telangana State Welfare Residential Educational Society, TSW REIS, is running nearly 268 educational institutions. This TSW REIS is running how many educational institutions? 268. How many? 268 educational institutions have been run by TSW REIS. For which classes? For the classes 5th standard to undergraduate level. Alright. TSW REIS is running nearly 268 educational institutions with from 5th standard to undergraduate level, out of which 175 are meant only for girls. Out of this 268 educational institutions, the 175 are meant only for girls and the remaining 134 are established after the formation of the state. Here we are talking about which state? Telangana state. Just remember three numbers: 268, 175 and 134. Out of 268 educational institutions, 175 are meant only for girls and 134 were established after the formation of the state Telangana. Very easy point. Just keep this flow chart in your mind. TSWREIS, Telangana State Welfare Residential Educational Institution Society. As I said, full form of REIS. So Telangana State Welfare Residential Educational Institution Society is running 268 educational institutions from 5th standard to undergraduate level, out of which, out of this 268 institutions, 175 are meant only for girls and 134 were established after the formation of Telangana state. Three numbers: 268 total schools, 175 only for girls, 134 established after the formation of state Telangana. So the first point, SC residential schools is completed. Now let us go with the second one, scheduled tribes residential schools. What is the second one? It is related with ST. See here, ST means scheduled tribes, RS means residential schools. Under this main heading you have three more subheadings. Clear? The first one, TTWREIS. TT means what? 1T is obviously for Telangana. Then what is the next T? You can see here in the main heading, tribes is there. So 1T is for tribes. Telangana Tribal Welfare, REIS is same, Residential Educational Institution Society. Now let us combine and read. TTWREIS, Telangana Tribal Welfare, Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Educational Institution Society. So under this, how many residential schools are working? Nearly 1,75,153 residential schools are working under this ST, that is tribal welfare. How many residential schools are working? 1,75,153. You can just by heart as 175,153. 175,153. 175,153. 175,153 residential schools are there, and 22 are residential degree colleges. How many schools? 175,153. How many residential degree colleges? 22. Schools are 175,153. Degree colleges are only 22. The next side heading, Ashram schools. Second side heading is Ashram schools. In Telangana state, total number of ashram schools are 321. 321. As we say, 321 go in a running race. Am I right? Just remember it like this. In Telangana state, I repeat it once again. In Telangana state, the total number of ashram schools are 321. 321. Is it clear? First one was TTWREIS. Second one was ashram schools. Third one is GPS. GPS means what? Government primary schools. What is the full form of GPS? Government primary schools. GPS, government primary schools. Let us see. Total government primary schools running in Telangana state. How to form the sentence? Total government primary schools running in Telangana state are 1427. 1427. How many GPS are there? Government primary schools are there? 1427. 1427. 1427 government primary schools are there for which classes? First, third, fifth. From classes first to third and fifth class. Is it clear? How many points we have completed till now? 2 points. The first one was for SC caste. The second one was for ST. So SC is done, ST is done. Now the third one, let us go. That is backward class, that is BC. SC is done, ST is done. Now let us go with BC. Backward class, one letter was added, that was W. Everywhere you have found RS, RS. Now we have WRS. RS means residential schools. It is there in the main heading, residential school. What is the one letter added? That is W. W means welfare. BCWRS, backward classes, welfare, residential schools. Let us see what is the inside matter. Now we have a very big short form written over here. MJPT BCWREIS. How to break it? MJPT BCWREIS. MJ means Mahatma Jyotibai Phule. MJPT means Mahatma Jyotibai Phule, PHULE. Shall I write the spelling over here? Mahatma Jyotibai Phule, Telangana, backward classes welfare, residential educational institution society. What is the short form written over here? MJPT. MJPT means Mahatma Jyotibai Phule, Telangana. BCW means backward class welfare. REIS, residential educational institution society. So MJPT BCW REIS facilitates education for backward classes and economically backward classes. Backward classes means BC. Economically backward classes means EBC. Economic backward classes, EBC. Backward classes, BC. So MJPT BCW REIS, Mahatma Jyotibai Phule, backward class welfare, residential educational institution society facilitates education for backward classes and economically backward classes. So how many residential schools are there? There are 261 residential schools. How many? 261. How many? 261 residential schools are there. So how many points we have done? SC, ST, BC. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, backward class. These three are done. Now the fourth one here is minority residential institution. Let us go with the last and final point, minority residential institutions. T means Telangana, M, obviously the side heading is minority, so the full form is also minority. Telangana Minority Residential Educational Institution Society. The full form is also written over here. So TMREIS have set up 216 minority residential institutions. You can find here this minority residential institutions, everything is same, just one side heading is there, one number is there. What is the side heading? TMREIS. What is the number? 216. Just now in third point we have read 261. Just replace this 1 and 6 here. 261 will become 216. This is one more trick how to by heart the number. So TMREIS have set up 216 minority residential institutions. The topic has come to an end. How many points we have discussed? 4 points. Residential institutions of Telangana are divided into 4 types: SCRS, STRS, BCWRS, MRI. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, then backward class, then minority. Is that clear? These are the 4 types which we have discussed under the main topic residential schools of Telangana. So this was the status and prospectus of residential schools of Telangana. Very, very important topic, not only for your board exam but also it is very important and it will play a very important role in the competitive exams also. So please note all the points. Don't feel that this topic is tough. Everything is easy. The thing is you need to keep little effort to your brain. Just write the side headings, write the short forms, then write the full forms beside, then write the numbers. That's it. Practice it for 2 to 3 times. Then write it without seeing. Then say the whole topic without seeing. Is that clear? So see you in the next classes with some more interesting topics. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy and keep practicing economics every day.